Hi, this is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro. We're going to go through how to prepare a house for a real estate photo shoot. And if you'd like a copy of this list, go to Real Estate Photographer Pro, go to the very bottom of the website and click on how to prepare a home for a real estate photo shoot. I'll show you that website, realestatephotographerpro.com. This is the home page. Slide down to the very bottom, and in the black and white content area, quick links, how to prepare a home for a photo shoot. I'm going to go over some examples of how to do that. I'm just going to start at the front of the house. This is a house we did recently. I think it actually had a Mount Pleasant address, but some things I wanted to point out. There's nothing taking your eye away from the house. There's no boats, there's no cars, there's no tools, there's no flags. You see green grass and house. The eye is not drawn to something distracting. It's very appealing. As you get closer, notice there's just nothing. All you see is house and the landscaping. No flag, nothing distracting. There's no name on the door. There's no reef on the door. Sometimes you'll have a reef with a name. You do not want that. Flags create a couple of things. They block the view of the house. They can be blurry. So a lot of times you like to take the flags down before the photo shoot, because sometimes if they're blowing the wind, they can be blurry in the photos. Also, they can be distracting. If the color is distracting, if it's a college flag, if it's a seasonal flag, it can quickly become out of date. So you want the eye to be drawn to the property, to the house. Notice even the doormat is straight. It's clean. Presentable. There's nothing confusing, nothing distracting. Everything's complementing the scene. We'll do a smaller property here in just a second. The look back shot across. There's no cars out in front. No cars back here. Nothing blocking over here that would be, distracting. This is the back balcony. Let me go to a smaller house. So this is a condo here in Columbia, Tennessee. Nothing distracting. I mean, this is part of it. That's, you can edit things like that out, but you're really not supposed to. So it's left there. I mean, that's part of it. They're going to see that when they pull in. This is the neighbors. That could be edited out, but it was there. So we left it. In a perfect world, that would be gone, that water hose. Now we're just looking across. This is the unit we're selling, but we're showing this is what it would be looking like when you drive up. So you want them to know when you drive up, this is the view you're going to see. This is the unit they're selling. Clean, no flags, presentable, no bicycles, no cars, no toys. Presentable, nothing distracting. Okay, that is the front of the house. You want all eyes on the front of the house. We will go through the house and do a few more videos. Thank you.